The North Bethesda Condo renovation continues. It's early here in the morning, and Habitat for Humanity is going to be here at 8 o'clock. They are taking, hopefully, a lot of this stuff. I have a feeling they're not going to take a few of these things because they're not in good enough condition. But a lot of little items, like all these items here, and I just found out late yesterday that they won't take them unless they're boxed up. So I was just hoping they would just take them. So I got to box all these things up, even the pots. If anybody wants those, you have to let me know real fast. And otherwise, the work will continue. Behind that, I've got somebody coming to clear out the rest of the stuff, or at least most of it. And then I got to still sort through some other stuff. Keep a few things for the owner, again, who's out of state. And then over here, you can see we have the bathroom. It is, can't step in here, can I? No, there we go. It's tiled, it's all finished, grouted. Cabinets, sinks, and all that stuff, shower doors, all that's got to go in. So we're getting there. Got to get to work though. All right, so Habitat for Humanity is here. They're clearing out. Joshua, Athena, say hello.
How you doing?
Good. And then Joshua's gonna help take some stuff that they can't take later, so he's got a service for that. So that was a blessing. One thing off the list. So it's a beautiful day, and we're getting this done.
Change area in Bethesda, the big house.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Ning.
Ning.
Yeah.
Ning has three panels. Before we did it.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So
from the laser lane, all that is gonna be one panel.
See
It's
how
gonna be
this much detail.
Pues yo lo paso un poco más grande, depends.
No, yo también lo miré por ahí, pero no.
La rotura está grande. Maybe 76. Para dejarle.
La gente lo que está ahí en ese tamaño.